Alright, this is my third time trying to make this video. Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Hope everybody's doing good tonight. Sorry I haven't had a video out in the last week or so, week and a half. I just kind of went herring off on a tangent. But before we get into that, I got a shop card shout out. Let me get you turned around here. Well, said I did. Man, I need a better camera. This one's about had it. Alright, shout out goes to Corey over at Dream Big, Build Small. You need to check his channel out. He's really good, great builder. That's a model there. I mean, you know, at first glance, man, you'd think that that's an actual photograph of a freestanding garage with a super sport in it, but no, that's a model. That's just an example of the kind of stuff he can do. You get over and check him out, and he's a great guy. Last time I talked to you, I was working on this thing. It's really basic. I haven't really done anything more to it. It's, you know, like you see, it's really basic. I got a wheel loose around here. There it is. Well, it's just mocked up, but the ornaments would look like on his wheels. But you know, just real basic. So anyway, I was building this thing, and I got kind of interested in it, and I wanted to know what class it needed to be in, right? So I got looking into it, and everybody always said there's AFXs, but no, this is not an AFX. An AFX uses all factory parts, man. You know, you can't change the suspension out like that, man. You know, other things. So what this would have to be in that time period, at least before 1967, would be just a plain up exhibition car, match racer. But I got looking into it, and this kit come out in '67, and in '67, the funny cars, you know, funny as in ha ha, not funny as in they got a flopper body, but were starting to come in big and getting popular with the crowds. So AMT took and retooled some old annuals and made altered wheelbase, quote unquote, funny cars. But what these really are is XS class. XS class started in '67 and was gone by 1970. 1970, they come up with a funny car class. But XS class was wild, man. Here you could run any engine, any suspension. I mean, you'd hack the car. Yeah, you cut the damn top of it off and run it as a roadster. I mean, but anyway, these are all really similar. First, I want to talk about the paint. This here is a pretty good match for that turquoise, off blue, turquoise, light green, metallic that actually was put on these early Chevy 2s. And I've got enough of it to do another one with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the Nova station wagon and have a race team. Matter of fact, I'm going to duplicate an old AMT offering, which is the Indy Drag Team combo. It was this funny car, you know, yeah, and the Nova station wagon, Chevy 2 wagon, and a trailer. Well, I've got the trailer, I've got the wagon, and I've got the funny car. But anyway, this is Colors, LA Colors Gel, um, number 212, Giddy. That's Giddy, Giddy. They come from Dollar Tree, man. You might luck out and find it there. I mean, they got different colors every time I go. But anyway, I wanted to show the structure. I mean, all these are about the same. We'll get back to it here in a second. This color here, man, it doesn't really show as well in my camera as it does in person. But this is a really dark, deep plum color. It's metallic, and it's got metallic down in it. This is actually like the third or fourth paint job I put on this car, man. I tried to paint it several different times with some other things, and it just wouldn't lay down, man. Well, I was trying to, put had some stuff, had some big flake in it where that would look like, ski boat flake, and I couldn't get it to spray right. I probably could have if I just switched over to my VLS with a 17th head and all that. That's too much like work. So anyway, I got this to lay down good. This color this is actually more expensive stuff, man. I didn't pay nothing for it. I live in an apartment building, and every once in a while, people set stuff out, down on the take table, and take for free. And one day I went down last year. I was down there, and there was a whole box of nail polish, and that's where I get a lot of this nail polish I spray. Man, was out of that batch. But this is a more expensive nail polish. This is Sally Hansen, Diamond Strength No Chip Nail Color, number 460. Share the date. These things always have weird names to them, but I like the way that turned out. Now I like the color of it. I haven't made up my mind if I'm going to use the blue or the clear glass in it. The Nova's only got clear glass. Wish I had some blue glass for it, because I think that would look sharp. All right, like I said, these are all about the same. Yeah, the suspension on the Nova is different. The suspension on the Nova has the regular leaf spring suspension, and the other two have the like the dragster suspension, the center mount single spring suspension. But like I said, all these are about the same. I mean, I tell you one difference in it. It surprised me. I use the plastic tires. I like them, right? All right. I don't know which one it was. One of them come with Dragmasters, MH Dragmasters, and the other one came with, Racemasters. And the other one came with Goodyears, right? Well, it's supposed to be the same size, man, but nah, the wheels from one kit won't fit the slicks from the other kit, man. So you gotta make sure you keep them straight. I mean, I don't know at this point. I don't know which one went with which, man. But I got the wheels that sit in there like it's supposed to. But anyway, like I said, real basic, simple kit. But they'll look good on the shelf. And who knows? One of these days, I might get ambitious and rob the bodies back off of them, and then try to build something detailed. But the kits build up real simple, man. If I wasn't such the way I am, I'd probably build one of these over the course of a weekend at the most. It's don't low parts count. I mean, the majority of it's paint and body. I got to build the engines for these, and I'm gonna tell you the truth, man. Building engines just kind of intimidates me. I mean, because I see what some of you other guys do with the amount of detail you can put into them and everything, and it just I used to be able to, but my dexterity and eyesight just ain't what it used to be. But anyway, I have fun. Like, what the hell? These are going to be like straight out of the box. I mean, it's um, yeah, out of the box. Only thing I might add engine wiring, but other than that, they're going to be out of the box. Uh, Still waiting for tape for this one. Um, I might give this one a second color. This one here is staying in this color. I just got to figure out the decals I want on them. But and then I got to build these engines. But it's lots of fun, lots of fun. Anyway, let's look at these. In 1967, they put out these kits. These three. Um, there was a Tempest. Um, Mercury Comet. Um, and I think the first year, 67, the Shizum Corvair and the 64 F-85 convertible were all these Super Boss funny car kits. And I'd kind of like to get them all. I mean, they're kind of neat. The 64 Oldsmobile F-85, man, it's coming out. I, I saw on somebody's video where they stopped by the round two booth at NNL, and the F-85 funny car is coming out in the end of the year, they said. But I still got to find the Tempest and the Falcon, and they're out there. And I think Model King put them both out. Um, I'm talking about the latest re-release. Model King had them out. Let's see, and that's about it, man. I'm as disorganized as always, as you can see. But anyway, I'm having fun. That's the main thing, right? Well, like, subscribe, send some smoke signals, send a telegraph. I don't know. Tell a friend. Um, Share it around. It's like a bad cold. You got to pass it on. But as always, have fun and have a good night. And see you later. Bye.